Quickly identify your 2015-2023 Subaru Outback key fob. It's a compact plastic device with buttons for lock, unlock, panic, and trunk release. You'll need a new CR232 3V lithium coin cell battery, available at Amazon, Walmart, or auto parts stores for under $5. A small flathead screwdriver or key fob opener tool. And a soft cloth to protect the fob from scratches. It's the same process for all models between 2015 and 2023, despite minor variations in the fob seam alignment. First, gently pry open the key fob using your tool along the seam, being careful not to damage the rubber gasket, which is IP65 rated for dust and water splash. Once open, remove the old CR232 battery, noting the correct polarity with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Align the fob halves and snap them back together, ensuring a tight seal. Test the fob's functions within 10 feet of your Outback.